LASX Navigator lets you switch from searching image by image to a single view which combines all of your image data. Explore the world of your sample in a fast and intuitive way, like with a GPS. For an initial overview, start with a spiral scan using a single color channel. To scan further color channels, you can select the full area of the sample and LASX Navigator will optimize the tiles. Alternatively, just define a region of interest on your sample. Select the appropriate mode for computational clearing with your Thunder Imager and start the scan. The color channels are being added and computational clearing is applied on the fly. You can work fast and smoothly. Compared to the standard wide field image, already at this magnification level, you can identify important details instantly. For applications where a 3D image of the sample is important, you may want to add a Z-stack with higher resolution. Adding it in LASX Navigator is easy. Select a region of interest and switch to an objective with higher magnification. The LASX Navigator will automatically plan the tiles for the higher res scan. Define your Z-stack and start the scan. LASX Navigator adds the details to your view. With LASX Navigator, you have all the data in one view, giving you a clear roadmap to brilliant images. Focus on your samples and get high-quality images of the sample areas that are key to advance your scientific research. In combination with the Thunder Imagers, you obtain a clear view of details even deep within an intact sample in real time without out-of-focus blur.